Hey there! Have you found yourself in a bit of a pickle after accidentally deleting some important reminders on your iPhone? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Luckily, the Reminders app has a built-in way to help you retrieve those deleted reminders, as long as you act fast. Let's walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to get those reminders back on any iPhone. Open the Reminders app. Start by launching the Reminders app on your iPhone. Scroll down to find the recently deleted section. Tap on it to open. Give that section a tap to open it up. Browse through the list. In this folder, you'll find reminders that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Look through the list to locate the reminders you want to recover. Tap on the Recover button. By following these steps, you'll be able to recover those deleted reminders on your iPhone without any hassle. Just remember, it's a great idea to regularly back up your device to avoid losing important data in the future. If you run into any trouble during the recovery process, don't hesitate to seek help. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide was helpful and a happy reminder recovering.